Ready? Start. Paragraph. A great amount of care and thought goes into arranging a successful meeting, and usually the secretary is responsible. His work generally starts well in advance of the actual date of the meeting and continues afterwards. He may or may not be responsible for fixing the date, time, and place, but in any case, he will require to know these details as far as possible in advance. The specified period of notice must be given to all entitled to receive it, and the items to be dealt with must be brought toward in the form of an agenda. Paragraph. At the place of meeting, arrangements must be made for the comfort and convenience of those attending. A record of those persons who attend meeting must be kept, and a sustainable seating plan drawn up. The actual details will vary according to the size and nature of the meeting, but careful and thoughtful planning is desirable in every case. Paragraph. The secretary must ensure that all the necessary documents and records likely to be needed are available for quick reference, and should be about to give advice and guidance to the chairman or other officials it called upon to do so. In many cases, he is himself responsible for keeping a true and accurate record of what takes place, though his duty is sometimes carried out by an assistant. After the meeting, he should ensure that all papers and books are collected properly. Stop.